We got married in the spring to prove it. Here's my wedding ring. I always think of my blushing groom whenever I see the pansies bloom. Oh no! Say it cannot be. Queer things are happening to me. A groom should bring his bride some joy. A boy's supposed to be a boy. I told him about the birds and bees, but he still wears those pink shimmies. Oh no! Say it cannot be. Queer things are happening to me. His hair is curly as can be. He uses curlers just like me. When I find lipstick on his tie, he says there's no other woman, so it must be a guy. Oh no! Quelle tragedy. Queer things are happening to me. He's so big and he's so strong, I can't figure out where he went wrong. Must have got caught right in between. His name is Chris, it ought to be Christy. Oh no! Say it cannot be. Queer things are happening to me. He's never been to Gay Paris, but he is gay as he can be. His friends are sweet, they're the queerest band. They turn my home into a fairyland. Oh no! Oh, what a tragedy. Queer things are happening to me. We went one night to a masquerade, and I dressed up like a parlor maid. Everyone knew it was me right away, but no one knew he was the queen of the May. Oh no! Woodman, spare that tree. Queer things are happening to me. Whenever we go out to dine, I buy him pheasant and apricot wine, but he says no, what can I do? He doesn't want to try anything that's new. Oh no! Maroon, say it cannot be. Queer things are happening to me. While I was walking down the aisle, his friends all stood around and smiled. I found out why, and it hurts my pride. They knew he liked the best man better than the bride. Oh no! No, it cannot be. Queer things are happening to me. We have decided it cannot be. I'm not for him and he's not for me. He can do what he wants and I'll do what I can.